We started celebrating Manufacturing Month in 2013 when former President Obama declared the first Friday of October to be the day to celebrate manufacturing and show all these kids and everyone how cool manufacturing is and the good stuff that they make.
Mm-hmm.
So it's been 9 years, and I thought it was just 5 years.
Yeah, time flies.
Time flies. Time flies. In 2008, I want to give some numbers before COVID and after COVID, basically. In 2018, we had 1,800 high school and middle school students visits to 55 manufacturing facilities in our state. Considering the size of our manufacturing base and the size of the population as well, vis-a-vis the other states in the nation, this is an amazing success.
Mm-hmm.
And I know what the other MEPs do. They try to do the same thing. We've been ahead. When we started in 2013 celebrating Manufacturing Day, it was just one day.
Mm-hmm.
So the second year, in 2014, New Hampshire we have decided, along with our partners, with the Department of Business and Economic Affairs at that time, it used to be called TRED, you all know that, of course. We decided to celebrate for a week, for a whole week, not just one day. And then we said we're going to have all these kids from high schools and middle schools go and visit the neighboring manufacturer and learn about the cool stuff and the career opportunities and internships and all of that stuff. And the rest of the nation, the other MEPs started doing the same thing when they heard we celebrated for the whole week. That week became a month,
Mm-hmm.
and a month became 2 months. Last 2 years, it has become October, and we continued through November, because some schools did not have the chance to take their kids to go and visit manufacturers in October, and they asked us if they can send their kids to in November to the neighboring manufacturer. So we
It's a real
said
sign of success.
Yeah, it is.
right. We said they can visit throughout the whole year.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the whole purpose. The whole purpose of Manufacturing Month is to have these schools, once they know the manufacturers in the area, or they can call us, we can always hook them up and connect them with manufacturers. They should do it every month, of course,
Mhm.
really, and send their students to different industries, basically. That's the whole purpose.
Absolutely.
So it became 2 months, and we had 1,800 high school visit students to 55 manufacturers. Well, last year, we did it virtually. All of the visits were virtual, and I believe Jewell Instruments
We hosted it.
participated too.
Yes.
So we reached 957 students visits, so that's not bad for a virtual one,
Yeah.
really. It was a mess, and
Yeah.
schools had to do the online training and all of that, and they did not have direct access to the students because they were studying at home,
Right.
and it's not the same thing
Of
as
course.
having them in person. But even with that, we had 22 high schools that participated. During last year, virtual month, we had, like I said, 957 students. And when we run the visits, we have a survey that we give to the students.
Mm-hmm.
And then there are 8 questions. The first question is, did you know before you went to visit this manufacturing facility, did you know a little bit about manufacturing? And then we have nothing, a little bit, or a lot, whatever it is, just different. Most of them, 72% of them, didn't know about manufacturing at all.
Surprising.
Yeah.
So let's think about this. These are kids that basically did not know anything about manufacturing, most of them. The last question asked, aside from asking what are you going to take away and what you learned and this and that, but the last question, which is the key question, is, now that you have visited the manufacturer, you have had a tour at the manufacturing company, at this company, would you be considering, or will you be thinking of getting a career in manufacturing, considering career, or not considering career in manufacturing? Last year, 79% of the students said they would consider a career in manufacturing.
That's fantastic.
Isn't that amazing?
That is
It
amazing.
happens every year.